Hello, my name is Drew Swenhagen, and I work in the University of Minnesota Graduate School. And today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on Gear Plus. Gear stands for Graduate Education Resources, and it is a collection of online tools and tips, both internal and external to the university, that connect really key areas of your own academic and professional development while you're in graduate school. So I'm going to teach you how to enroll in Gear Plus, and we'll give you a quick rundown of the components. So right now I am on the website grad.umn.edu/gear, where you will find the enrollment link. I'm going to click on that. And Gear Plus is distributed to you via Canvas, which is the University of Minnesota's learning management system. So once you click on the link, I'm going to go to the course. And the good thing is once you enroll, Gear Plus will always be in your Canvas dashboard. So you can access it at any time, 24/7, no matter where you're at, so long as you are logged in with your U of M credentials. So on the landing page, you'll see a little bit more about Gear Plus. The three main components of Gear Plus are areas of successful development, your dissertation and thesis, and exploring career paths. To use Gear Plus, it's very open-ended. You can go at your own pace in any order you want. You can go from start to finish. You can jump around by topic. Whatever's most comfortable for you, whatever you're looking for in the moment. It's meant for all phases and all areas of study for grad students. And you are by no means being tested or graded while using Gear Plus. It's all for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And once I click on that, we are in the Gear Plus modules. So I will describe the introductory slides for you, and we'll take a look at a specific example of a resource. So again, Gear Plus is a set of links, including articles, checklists, videos, webinars, you name it, that highlight connections between developing your personal skills, academic development, and future career paths. So we believe when you graduate, you'll need more than simply good grades to be successful. You'll need a compelling CV and resume to show employers who are looking for a real diversity of skills and backgrounds. And we believe to do this, to really develop these skills, you need a really good roadmap. And we promote the individual development plan, which Nuru and Andrea Manalina described very well in her Tips for Effective Networking webinar. So we'll give you a little rundown of what an IDP is and how Gear Plus will help you with that. So to get the most out of Gear 1, the most critical thing is to get an IDP started. And you'll see throughout Gear Plus there's a link to a grad school site that has IDP templates. So you can assess your skills and make goals, both short-term and long-term, on that IDP. Along the way in Gear Plus 2, we also offer a few adjacent development tools, one being DoctoralNet, and the other, the National Center for Faculty Development and Diversity. These two resources are ripe with a lot of great advice. You can also go at your own pace with those things, add specific tools and resources to your IDP, very open-ended. And so long as you have a U of M email address, you can register for these resources for free. So all in all, the resources in Gear Plus, DoctoralNet, and the National Center for Faculty Development and Diversity, those resources can be added to your IDP as time goes on. So you can set goals, assess your skills, and go on from there. And use your advisor and mentors along the way. So I'm going to jump to the Gear Plus navigation map. which shows the main themes throughout. The three biggest topics are components of successful development. You'll see kind of the subtopics underneath. Your dissertation or thesis, so the major components of those, and career paths, which give a lot of resources on both academic careers and careers out in the rest of the world. So I'm going to give an example of a skill that you might want to add to your IDP. Say you're going to a conference next year and you really want to work on presentation skills, communicating to a wider audience, something like that. So you might be going through a slide and see something you really like based on that. Tips for superstar presentations. I think that might help. So I'm going to click on the link, and here you get a great YouTube video actually from the University of Minnesota that goes on to describe good tips for presentations. So Gear Plus is full of resources like this. So depending on what you're really focusing on in the present moment in your grad ed, Gear Plus will likely have something for you. Something as, kind of nebulous as emotional intelligence. Say you want to just kind of really research who you are as a personality, how you affect others. There's some guidance and resources on a slide like emotional intelligence. So a little bit more about the Gear Plus interface itself. The left main menu allows you to go at will based on topic. There are also previous and next buttons on the lower right-hand side of the screen, which will guide you through. You can also keyword search. So say there's something you want to look up. You can type it into the keyword search. And anywhere that word shows up within Gear Plus, slides will pop up. So if you know you want to look for something specific, you can use that. You can also let us know how you feel. Give us feedback, critical commentary. You can always leave feedback by clicking on this link. You can always return to the Gear Plus navigation map from here and kind of start your search over. So as you can see, Gear Plus is very, very open-ended. There's no progress bar. It's really for you to explore. This is a beta version. We are still working on developing this to make it as good as it possibly can be for you and for as many fields of study as possible. So if there's something you think is missing, if there are gaps in resources, we do want your feedback and we welcome it. So that's my quick tutorial today. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great rest of the semester. We're all thinking of you here at the graduate school. Take care.